Let's go here, go here. Yarn run watch, is that what we want to do? Start that up. I can't even remember how to do all this. Is there a overlays? How do I see comments on here? Comments and reactions. How do I see this? Here we go. All right. So I'm working on some stuff on the Transistor marketing site. And I haven't gone live in a while, so I thought I would just go live now. Can you guys hear me? I'll check my audio. Oh yeah, it looks like audio's working. And let's see, what's this? Can I view this here? Beauty. So yeah, if you folks have comments or you want to say hi in the chat, go ahead. Let's share my screen again. Oh, actually, I just want to go there. All right, so show you what we got so far. John actually get most of the setup. So we've broken up our pricing into two show you what we got tables so far. Here. John actually get most of the setup. We've broken up our private podcast pricing tables so here. John up in this table here. So I switched them apart, but then the problem was podcast pricing tables here up in these switches here. So I switched them apart, but then the problem was these monthly and annual pricing, they don't work on this table here. So we tore out what we were doing before. We were using annual pricing. They don't work on this table here. So we tore out what we were doing before, but now we're using Alpine to accomplish all this. So we tore out what JavaScript, but now we're using Alpine to accomplish all this. So we tore out what there's a bunch of these, but now we're using Alpine to accomplish all this. We got so CSS. Okay. So yeah, so we removed the JavaScript we had before. So yeah, so we've added, actually removed some of the styles we had in this base CSS file, and now we're just putting them all in line. Actually removed so to start, I've just been going through, and now we're just putting them all in line. Actually removed so to start, I've just been basically copying what we have here. So here's we've got the monthly. So to start, I've just been basically copying what we have here. So Alpine monthly, I don't know what we call it, but Alpine to make it show the monthly price. So if that's active, it'll show the monthly price. Alpine to make it can delete this. Show the monthly price. So if that's active, it'll show the monthly price. Alpine to make it can delete this. Show do the same thing. Monthly price. So if that's active, it'll show annual price. Alpine to make it can delete this. Show do the same thing. Monthly price. So if that's active, it'll show annual price. Sorry about that, AJ. I had system audio enabled. I don't know why it's not. I don't know why it was using my. Is it better now? Beauty. Okay. Okay, so now let's save this and see how we're doing. If we refresh this, okay, so we've got just basically hiding. Each of these buttons goes to, I think I just fixed the echo. Jose, let me know. Perfect. Yeah, I've just fixed, so these buttons go to annual or monthly, and I'm just basically getting it to, if it's one or the other that's showing. So monthly, the monthly sign up button shows, the yearly sign up button shows. So I'm just going through these one at a time. I'm sure there's a way to do this, find and replace kind of all at once, but I'm going to do it this way. Just kind of walk through it. Every time I do it, I understand a little bit more about what's going on. There we go. Looks good. Gives us our yearly prices. CJ, Jose, what's going on? What are you up to? Tuesday, it's hot. It's insanely hot here in Vernon. It's 111 degrees Fahrenheit right now outside. Look at that. That's 44 Celsius. It's going to get up to 46 or 114 degrees. British Columbia, Canada, 3 o'clock p.m. Heat warning. Insanely hot. Okay, so let's keep going here. Let's scroll to the bottom. Find this part here. So now we're going to replace it on the buttons down here. Remove monthly. Yeah, CJ, it's hot here, man. It is really hot. I think there was a spot in British Columbia, Canada that was the hottest place in North America yesterday. All right, let's keep going here. So yeah, just showing these buttons if monthly is selected, and then if yearly is selected, it shows the yearly button. And I'll have to do all this work again when we do when I do the other pricing table. But this one for the first time is looking good. So that's great. And now we just have to do it over here on the private podcasting table. We actually have to we have to fix this here too. So I'm going to copy what we did up here and apply it down below here. Woo, late. Okay, so let's go back to the top. So what we want is this section, and I'm gonna have to do this all again for the mobile version. Let's dismiss that. Okay. So let's copy our buttons here. So we want, I think, this whole section, right? And I'm gonna go down to our pricing section. Here's our buttons. And I think I can just copy and paste all that. Let's see if that works. Refresh. How come that didn't work? Oh, wait. Is this in the... Hold up. This is the mobile version. This is the one I want. I think that's right. What's going on here? Actually, I wonder if I even need those buttons. Maybe I'll get this part working first, and then I'll see if I can fix this part here. Okay, so we are going to start with professional. We're at the top here, right? Hey, what's up, Austin? What are you up to? Okay, I've just confused myself now. Okay, so this is starter. This is what I want here. Okay, we'll do the same thing here. And same thing here. Working through a bunch of, now how come this isn't working? I wonder if I need this part here. I need to put that down here. Yes, probably. But not that I forgot to do it. I just don't know what I'm doing. There we go. Okay. And does that show annual? I have to figure that out later. Okay. But at least we're in the ballpark now, right? And let's do this one here. Look at this enterprise plan. $9.99. We do have a plan that is $9.99 per month, but I don't know if it's the one we should be promoting. Isn't that the whole deal with enterprise plans, is you're not supposed to share it? That's weird. How come this one isn't centered? This one here. Text center. Dun, dun, dun. MT1 center. Can't tell why this one is not centered. My Okay, well, let's just keep trucking along here. So the next step will be getting these buttons. We should be able to just basically grab these. It's the same button. Right here. See if that worked. That's all you're going to help me out with? All right. Oh. We're going to need a whole new one for this here. Okay, so let's keep going. So grab this, delete that, grab this, delete that. I should see if John is watching this. John's my co-founder with Transistor. We did some pair programming earlier, and he kind of helped set this initial piece up. And all I really have to do is copy and paste it properly. You gotta fix a sink. Oh man. Well, at least you don't have to install an air conditioner. I think those are in demand, at least here in the Pacific Northwest. Tons of families trying to rent hotel rooms tonight. They don't have AC at home. Look at that. It looks a little bit better, eh? It's looking better there, eh? Let's grab this now, and we're going to do the same down here. Good timing, CJ. Good timing. All right, so that's monthly. Oh yeah, you can't watch this on your phone, Caleb. Let's get this yearly one. So even a dummy like me can kind of understand what's going on here. If billing yearly is selected, then we show that button. If monthly is selected, we show that button. And I'm just deleting this old monthly class we had because we're doing it all in line now. And yeah, I mean, I like Alpine because it's at least readable for someone like me. Now here's a question. I don't actually need to replicate these buttons. They're the exact same, but maybe just in case we have to in the future, I'll put it in, even though they're the exact same. All right. Okay. All right, let's take a look. All right, that is looking better. 2 issues to fix. Got to figure out why is this not centered. And then I also got to figure out why why this isn't working. Can almost copy that whole. Okay, let's go back up. Pricing. Can I open split this? Okay, let's go down, figure out what's going on here. Okay. So pricing, inline flex, bearing. So how come this didn't work when I copied these buttons before? Oh, there we go. Okay. Now we got to figure out why this one is. I must have messed up that. Whoa, what happened here? I must have messed up that. So let's look at that one. We got starter, professional, business. Got professional, business, enterprise. How are these two different? Billing period, action. Span. Tax center. I can't tell why. Oh, Caleb, this is why I have you pair programming with me. Let's put you over here. I've got a typo somewhere. Ah, look at that. Beautiful. That could have, Caleb, that could have taken me an hour to figure that out. Yes. Look at us making things happen here. All right. So we got the monthly working. This goes to professional. This goes to business. This goes to contact. Professional monthly. Okay. And if I switch to yearly, this is the annual. So I'll show you. If you click on this, it just, we have a little URL string that automatically anchors it on the yearly side here. That's why we do it like that. But yeah, this all looks good. Oh, but now we got to do mobile. Crap. So we basically got to replicate all that over here. All right, so let's go back in here. Let's go back up here. And go back here. So we've got monthly, yearly. Now let's see if we can use these same buttons. What's different? I think I can erase this, but is everything else the same? PY1, PX4, rounded large, font semi-bold. I think we can just replace these buttons. Let's try that. Okay. Those look pretty good. Maybe while I'm here, I'll go over here and do it here as well. Let's refresh this, go down to private. Okay. So that's good. Let's go back up. And now, anything else I need to change here? No, that looks good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go down here, and this right here, we're gonna change this. Okay. So let's copy this for monthly. And let's copy this for annual. And then we've got a button right away here, which I need to grab. So let's do that. Is that? And I realized that, again, I could probably just replace this, find and replace, but I still kind of want to see it as much as I can so I remember it. Okay, so we got monthly, yearly. There we go. And then these ones need to be fixed. Okay. Let's go down. So one thing about pricing tables is you've got to replicate it everywhere. I was joking to John that, well, actually I was being serious. I said, it's way better navigating pricing tables in Dreamweaver than just all this mountain of HTML. All right, so that's working. I don't know if that cloak is working. Let's go to annual. Yep. Okay, so I just need to do that over and over again, forever and ever. So now we're professional. Let's go back to the top. So we need to grab this. Monthly. Grab this. yearly. And then where's my prices? Right here. Did that. Oh yeah, now I need the button. Yeah, man, table-based layouts are way better in Dreamweaver. I don't care what anyone says. The ability to navigate around and see things visually, it's just a better way of doing it. What just happened? Yeah, that's right. Okay. Then I need to do it down here too. This is pretty boring, and I have to replicate this not just on these tables, but I'm gonna have to replicate this again on the mobile view for private podcasting. Okay, where is it? So, delete that. We want monthly. Yearly. And then we need the buttons. And getting close. Just gotta target these buttons. All right, so this one should be done. Let's check it out.
Yeah. See Marco. Thanks.
So that looks good. 29.99, and if we go yearly, oh, now we're not getting that flicker. 190, 490, 990. Well, let's do these now. Maybe what I'll do for these is let's go. Okay, so let's go down to private, and let's just copy these top. So got professionals here. Okay. So delete that. Delete that. Do I not have buttons on these? Oh, I only have buttons on the bottom. That makes it easier. So let's go down here. Add that. That. Okay, and then we'll go to the next one. Go to business. Where is that? Professional. Okay. Show this. Monthly there. Annual there. Then we just need the buttons. So monthly here. What I usually tell people is I'm just a decent junior developer. This feels like real junior developer stuff. Okay, and then we should just have enterprise. And for that, I'll just copy up here. Where is it? Yeah. So there's monthly. And here's annual. Scroll down and do the buttons and we should be done. Again, these are, because these buttons are the same, I don't really need to do this, but just in case we decide to actually put sign up links on these in the future, I'll future-proof it a bit. All right, fingers crossed. Let's see if this worked. Private, professional, business, enterprise. Okay, and we switch it. 490, 990, 990, 9990. I think that's it. I think we did it. Buy for professional. Yep. That's right. And this should go to monthly. Yep. And we're not getting any errors here. Not getting any errors here. Works both. And this works on both. Beauty. We did it. Where's the confetti? Is there a confetti button here? Camera effects. Let's see here. Brightness, camera options. Yeah. Well, that's the plan. That's the plan, Caleb. I gotta, as soon as I'm done this, I gotta go home and pack. But the first question now is, how do I add confetti to this right here, this day? I can add an animated overlay. Where's my, like, there's no like built-in confetti. Camera overlay, no. Countdown overlay. Oh, that's too bad. Ecamm Live doesn't have just a confetti option. I could probably use that Snap camera. They probably have confetti, hey? Snap camera. Let's see here. Confetti. How do you spell confetti? Here we go. What's this? Oh yeah. Okay. So I just gotta switch this. Will this work? Oh no. That doesn't. It's not letting me load up SnapCam live. Let's try it again. Oh, that's too bad. Probably have to reboot. All right, let's push this up to production. So for that, I use the GitHub GUI, and this is fixing pricing toggle. So we implemented Alpine, and we also updated pricing toggle, button toggles, and I've got a story ID here that I can target. Let's push that. It's like right away it adds it to our list here in Clubhouse, and this is the whole thing, and it should deploy a preview on Netlify, and then we can actually look at it live on the server. And then and then we'll be able to actually see it on the server, which is kind of like the last step. There we go. So here's the kind of staging piece. Everything looks good. What are the errors we get in here? Looks like just like Netlify related stuff. But these toggles work. These toggles work. And let's view mobile. Toggles work here. And toggles work here. We did it. It's all done. Thanks everybody. Have a good week. Stay cool. And I should do more of these. This is therapeutic for me. And thanks for noticing that typo, Caleb. Appreciate it.